Trunk or treating round 2. And our ride is here, guys. Okay, we're all buckled, ready to go. Okay, let's go.
Looking for the first one's there.
Granny is on the move. We have Red Riding Hood's cape because she won't put it on. So not that we need any more candy because we don't. But we're gonna go get some more.
Lauren, look at the party there.
Are you excited? Yeah.
Huh?
There's party bags. Okay, pit stop. Now we're gonna go to Sunday school. Ooh, it sounds fun in there. In Sunday school. How cute this is.
Our battle is in our soul. Or you could personally say, mine, the soul didn't die. What died?
Hi, Mara.
She did so good.
Hi,
She's
Dee.
a little reserved, was taking it all in, but she did everything.
And Mara just got out of Sunday school.
Did you want me to fill those in?
She had a good time. Did you love church?
Yeah.
No.
That's so good. Are you gonna wait? What are you choosing? Okay.
No, actually not that.
This one?
So
There you go. Stand there. And all this good
you gonna eat?
Thank you.
Can you jump? Woohoo! Jump on your butt.
Happy Halloween! Want to get a candy? Bring some? Get a candy. Bring it to you. Whatever you want. I like your costume.
Good job, Amara. Let's get some candy. Bo is enjoying his milk. Mara is enjoying her pizza and slushies and juice and cookies. I love you. Say happy Halloween.
Look at that big balloon that can get this at you.
See you later, YouTube. Bye.